Hi everyone. If you are looking for some material for sampling, to play some hip hop or for some house music or for whatever, classical music is a great mine. There's a lot of untapped and used material, and there are also a lot of free music that you can download for your practice or for your own creation, some Creative Commons. And one that I want to show you is the Free Music Archive. As you can see on the website, is royalty free download. You can use it for YouTube, Facebook, or you can use the free download music community. Usually I go to free to download music, and you can go by genre. So here I go to genre and I go to classical music because I can get this clean sound of a piano or a violin or a bass that I want to use or I want to sample. So first we'll pick a sample and then we'll see in Ableton Live how we can sample this using the sampler. So here I am in the classical section. Me, I like the piano and the opera because the opera you get to find some voices. For the piano, it's always great to have a piano. So we'll go through some of them and we'll pick one to sample. It's really quiet. Pablo Perez. And the panning is great. My man, Pablo Perez. We'll keep this one. Let's try this one. Okay, so let's download this one. Okay, so now we have Pablo Perez. We took the Auras 1. And let's get into Ableton. Okay, here we are. So if you go to the packs, you can download Beat Tools, and inside Beat Tools I went to the samples 74 to 98 ppm, and I took the sway back kit. So here the BPM is 94, maybe I want to adjust the BPM. And I also put our Pablo Perez sample in the second audio track. What I like to do before send the full track to the sampler is to trim it a bit. So I'll put it in the second view. I'll listen, I'll pick some part and I'll chop it up. Remember to be on Complex Pro when you listen to a sample. Okay, so really the clean part that I want to use is the beginning. At some point there is a violin that enters, and I'm not too keen on using the violin. Command J, delete the rest. Here we go. So here what I do is that I take the simpler, put it on the MIDI track, and I'll add the sample here, and I'll go into slice mode. Here I have all my slice. Maybe I want to remove some of the chops. So the volume I put it to 0 dB, so I can get the maximum gain. And I adjust the gain from the track. And also, because we want to be creative, let's transpose this sample. -5 sounds good. So now let's play with this a bit. So now I played the loop that I really liked and I forgot to press record, which is what is nice with the new Ableton Live is that I can just take back the last recording that I did even if I didn't click on record. So I clicked this button and now I have the recording and I can play back what I just played. Urbada. So thank you, Pablo Perez. Thank you everyone for looking at the video, and if you have any question or comments, just put it below. Cheers.